find some stuff? Let's go. What's there? What's in there? Go find it, go find it, go find it, go find it.
What do you have?
Oh no! Whoa, how cool!
What's that? Paint?
And a paintbrush. What are we gonna do today? Hi everyone, welcome to another Learn with Lex, and today we're gonna build an ice cube sculpture. Are you ready, Alexander? Now, if you want to join in, you'll need ice, a bowl, some paint, and some paintbrushes. We're gonna do some cool stuff with the paint and the ice sculpture. You ready? Ah! One more? Do you want more ice? Yeah. Okay, Alexander, hold on. Let me open it. Wow, look at the blue. We're gonna use the blue today. Pink. Ooh, and a reddish orange. Wow, what color do you want? Okay, whoa. Here you go, here's the brush. Pick the color. What color is that? No, paint the ice. Can mommy help? You just painted my face. Look. Ooh, how cool. No, not the table, the ice. Paint the ice. Look. You want to paint the table? All right, now put some red. You ready? And this is gonna help with fine motor skills and sensory development. As the ice melts, it all kind of becomes one before it turns to water, and you'll see all the different colors in the ice. You just painted not? Are you painting the table instead of the ice? Can you paint the ice with me? Wow, so cool. Dip your finger in the ice then. Why don't you dip your finger? Wow. Ice. What color? What color are you using? What color is this? Blue? Can mommy use some blue? Look, mommy's paint. Look at how Alexander, look at the paint. Melt on the ice. Or do you care more about painting the table? I think he does. Paint the ice. Wow. Mommy will touch it with you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's so cold. Look. And the paint got on my hands. Oh, wow, you're excited to do that. No, put the ice back. Touch the ice. Go like that. It's cold. You can feel how cold the ice is. Yeah, how cold. Do you like it? And then the colors get on your hand. What color is on mommy's hand? You got pink? Do you want to put some more on the ice? Or on the table? Okay. Me too. Can I touch the ice? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boop. Ah, it's so cold. Boop. Boop. Yeah, is it cold? You could use your fingers. Dip, and then touch the ice. Dip, and then paint the ice. You dip it. Alexander, are the ice cubes kind of creating a sculpture together now? And then they're gonna turn into water? Yeah? Water?
Hi, ice.
Yeah, hi ice.
Hi.
Dip it in the ice. In the ice. Ah! Cold! Nice, good job. Mommy's gonna paint it too. You wanna put some paint in with mommy? Look. Let's see. Let's paint. Dip it in. Dump it in. Good job. Thanks. I finished the blue and you do pink? I do the blue now and you do pink? Do the pink one. Want me to get the rest? Wow. Whoa, look at all the colors. Here, you want to do the blue? Here you go. Okay. Color. Dump it in. Good job. Colors. Look at all the colors. Look at all the water. What color is the water now? Blue, red, pink. We have a pink ice cube. And then we have blue on the ice cube. Whoa. Is it cold? Where are you going? You want applesauce? You want to put the applesauce in the ice? Really? I guess so. Let's try it. What happened? Hey, we might as well try it if you want to. All right, touch it. Here's the blue. Good job. Want me to do it? Okay. No, you do. Bam, 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 bam. Alexander. Look, 1, 2, 3. Ah, boop. Yeah. Did I put some on your nose? Yeah. Mommy, try. Are you all done yet? You want to add applesauce? That really wasn't a part of the plan. Splashy, splashy. What color is your hand? What color? Yeah, there's blue. Painting your hand. So today we learned fine motor skills and sensory development. We also talked about the colors with the different paints. And if you guys want to join in and do this activity, all you have to do is check out the links in the description below for the paint, the paintbrushes, but you may need to add some paper towels to that because it is quite messy. Thanks everyone for watching and join us next time on Learn with Lex. Alexander, can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Bye. Have fun. Bye. Bye, Alexander.